Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. As you can see, it's by the brand called AquaHomeGroup. And pretty much what this is a shower filter that is 15 stages of filtering. You guys remember I actually reviewed this in the past and it's by the same brand, but the one in the past is a little bit different. And basically what is different is the fact that this one is actually 3 stages of filter more than the original, which was a 12-stage filter when I tested this product for the first time. So you guys can see right here, this is basically all the different stages of all the filters right here. Like I'm not sure if you guys have the same issue or not, but like when I turn on the faucet with the hot water, it's not like clear. It's like kind of like foggy or cloudy and like really white. But when you guys turn it on to cold water, it's fine. So before I talk more about the product itself, let me do a quick unboxing to show you guys what comes inside the package first. So basically when you guys open the product itself, you guys can see there's a bunch of accessories in here. So they provide you a tape so you can actually apply it onto the product so it's easier to kind of screw on and help prevent any kind of water liquid from leaking out of the filter itself. They give you the actual product right here, you guys can see. Basically all you guys have to do is kind of like open it up, turn it like this way. And this is what it looks like in the inside. So when you guys first get the product, there is a extra filter in here. I actually removed it because I don't need 2 of these. So since I purchased one of these in the past, it's still usually the same size as the shower cap itself right here. The only thing different is the filter itself. So I currently have it in there already. So I'll show you guys that in a second. But this is basically what the product looks like for the new one. And then what else comes at the bottom of the package itself, you can see there's a bunch of accessories in there. So these provide you 2 of these rubber parts to put on the actual product itself to help prevent it from leaking. They provide you a bunch of extra shower caps so you can use when you're showering. They provide you a little instruction guide, user manual on what is on the product itself and how to use it. And then last but not least is the actual extra filter itself. So this is the second one that they provide you. If you guys shake it, you guys can hear all the different stages of filter inside the product itself. It looks pretty much the same thing as the 12-stage of filter, but they added those 3 extra stages of filter to make it even more cleaner when you guys are showering and whatnot, and remove any kind of unwanted chlorine or any kind of odor on the product itself. And one thing that you guys want to know is that when you guys first put this on the product itself, is that you guys want to turn on the water to kind of like let the water drain any kind of like nasty stuff inside, because the material or whatever that's inside the filter needs to be cleansed and it hasn't been touched because it's brand new. So you guys want to turn on the water for like a minute or so. So that's basically everything that's in the product itself. Now let me show you guys what the product looks like when you guys fully apply it on correctly and whatnot. Alright, so basically this is what it looks like when you guys fully put it on. So you guys can see I have some tape applied onto it, and the reason for this tape is so that way it won't leak when you guys put the product on, because it will leak if you guys don't have any tape to kind of prevent it from leaking. So let me actually do a quick test and turn on the water to show you guys what it sounds like with the water on. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like when you guys turn the product on. Right now it's using the hot water, and the liquid for the hot water is very clean. You guys can see, I can't really see the water, that's how clean it is. Like you guys can hear that noise right now. Basically the filter is actually working right now, that's going through the actual filtering system itself. That's why the water sounds like that. And also you guys probably need to change it after like 6 months or so, because I used mine for over a year, and then when I took out the filter inside, if you guys remember, it was all white. When I took it out, it was all yellow, and I actually threw that away already. So that's why I needed a new one, and I saw that it was 15 stages instead of 12 stages now. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the video, you guys can see that it's easy to set up. The design of the product is really simple and everything, nothing really much to it. You pretty much just have this extra thing just sticking out like that before you guys put like the shower head on here. And then if you guys wanted to like prevent it from leaking, you guys just have to put on some tape right here with the tape that they provide you. Just tape it around here. Maybe 1 or 2 layers is fine. Don't need more than that. But I definitely have to use it a little bit more to kind of like test it out and see how it performs comparing to like my 12 stages one, because this one is 15 stages. So it might make a difference. Probably not like a huge difference, but it'll definitely make a small little difference using that extra 3 stages of filtering. So now that we did the unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that this is actually really worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys are living somewhere where there's like dirty water. Then this product will definitely make a huge difference when you guys are using hot water to shower and whatnot. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else they actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback with this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is it worth it. Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have